Hi, it's High Brass Clays coming from Texas. I think I've got a good one for you. We're going to go over the power and the capability of a 22 long rifle cartridge to be used in self-defense, home defense, in any type of situation. The power of the cartridge, I think, is underrated. And if you have a good cartridge in your pistol, like one of these we're going to try here, most likely the CCI, you're going to do fine against a bad guy that probably is not tougher than this almost 2-inch block of wood. And it's going to go through or into the bad guy quite squarely. So we're going to take a look and we're going to do some shooting with these pistols. First we have the Walther P22, the Taurus TX22, the Sig Sauer 322, and we're going to be running Remington Golden Bullet through it, the Federal Value Pack. Both are 36 grain hollow points with about 1280, 1260 feet per second, and then the Mini Mag 40 grain target that's running at 1235 feet per second. So let's get shooting. We'll hit this board. We'll show you a little bit of damage that these pistols and rounds can do to a bad guy, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're all ready to go. You can see the block down there. This is the Sig Sauer 322. It's got the Federal blue box, 36 grain, 1260 feet per second, I believe is the rating. And let's see how it does in the right hand corner of that block of wood. Safety. Set the gun down. Okay. Now we've got the Taurus TX22 chambered with the Remington Golden Bullet, and it is a 36 grain hollow point as well, traveling at I think 1280 feet per second. So top left, we're going to try the Taurus TX22 and the block of wood bad guy. On. Stow the weapon. Okay, now we're going to try the block of wood with the P22 from Walther, chambered in the Golden Bullet again, and then we will try the CCI. Bottom left. Safety. Stow the weapon. Seems to be doing some good damage. Okay, now we're going to try the Walther P22 again with the CCI target, traveling at about 1235 feet per second, I believe. Bottom right hand corner. So let's say, what is this, 10-12 feet? That's probably as close as you're going to get to a bad guy if you use a gun. So okay, let's take a look. There we have the front of the block of wood. Taurus on the left, Sig on the right, Walthers on the bottom. And we're going to take a look at the damage on the back now. Okay, here we have the damage. So in the right quadrant there is the Taurus TX22. On the left hand top quadrant is the Sig 322. The bottom quadrant on the left is the Walther with the CCI target, and the bottom right is the Walther with the golden bullet. So as you can see, all penetrated. The SIG was firing the Federal blue box. The top right Taurus was firing, actually I fired a couple of extra there of Federal, but mostly golden bullet. They all did the job, and I think we should be comfortable carrying a 22 even in these short barrels. Okay. So there you have it. High brass clays from Texas, I think proving that the bad guys will not like what they get out of those 22 pistols. And especially if you're sending 10 to them, 16 or 20. I think they will either leave the vicinity or worse. Okay, it's been great. High brass clays out. Take a quick look at the scenery. And I'm lucky to be able to shoot this, these, and many other things.